Best dash cam with speedometer. For tracking the speed of a car we need the best dash cam with speedometer. When we want to buy dash cam it will be better to buy dash cam with a speedometer. At the time of an accident, we can be charged for an accident by a false claim. We can protect ourselves by showing recorded cars' speeds on dash cam video footage. As overspeed causes a problem we can show our car speed, that is very helpful for the insurance claim and police case. When we have a dashcam with a speedometer we can properly check the speed of a car. As a result, during driving, if we have the best dashcam with a speedometer we can continue our journey more safely. For getting insurance premiums from the insurance company we need dashcam with a speedometer. Why we need speedometer for dashcam? Speedometer plays an important role for dashcam. Speedometer comes with a dashcam that have a built-in GPS and can be connected to Wi-Fi. By using speedometer we can know current speed. It also alerts us when we drive fast. Best dashcam with speedometer in the market. When we want to buy the best dashcam with speedometer we need to observe the dashcam market. There are various types of dashcams that can record driving speed as well as video of the road. We can see different types in the market. Here we describe the top 4 quality dashcams that we can buy. We have made the list according to performance, design, versatility, brand trust, and price. Rover 2 4K dashcam. It has 4K Ultra HD recording feature. It has discrete design. This dashcam can record video up to a resolution of 2160p. Video quality is good. We can get sharper images. It has Sony sensor. It has super night vision. As a result we can get outstanding image quality in low light environment. This dashcam is built in Wi-Fi network. It is also built in GPS tracking. We can record driving location and speed easily. It has app connectivity feature. By using Rover app we can download recorded 4K video on our smartphone. After that we can share videos. It has wide range of features. This dashcam has also parking mode, motion detection, G-sensor, loop cycle recording feature, lane departure warnings feature. It has enough emergency features. We can get extra features and additional features. This dashcam can support up to 512 GB micro SD card. Advantages. Installation is easy. Technical support is good. It has emergency recording option. It is built in Alexa support. Disadvantages. App should be improved. Vantru N2S. Vantru N2S is an excellent dashcam for professional drivers and regular drivers. Among all dashcams it is the best dashcam with speedometer. This dashcam has handy features. It has a dual dash camera that has excellent video quality. It can capture video clip at 2.5K 2560 by 1440p with 30 fps. We can capture crystal clear 4K video at 3840 by 2160p at 2160 fps. By using this dashcam we can capture license plates and road signs easily. It is a compact dashcam. It has a compact design. It has 2-inch LCD screen that allows us to watch the video clearly. We can install this dashcam easily. It has Sony Starvis sensor. As it has super night vision we can capture clear video in the evening. It has 4 infrared lights that can record any incident clearly at night. As it has parking mode we can get the 24-hour parking monitor facility. It has also motion detection and collision detection mode. It can detect movement and collision warnings properly. This dash cam has a GPS feature. By using GPS tracking we can easily get route, speed, and location. It has seamless loop recording and emergency accident locks. This dash cam uses a supercapacitor that can withstand extreme temperatures ranging from 14 to 158 F. As a result, we should not worry about explosions and overheating. As it has wide dynamic range of technology, this dash cam can perform in various lighting conditions. It is the best option for people to buy. Advantage: it has a Super HD resolution. We can store large memory. We can get technical help all time. As it is a dual dash cam, it can record front and rear view mirrors clearly. Disadvantage: G sensor slightly should be more effective. BlackVue DR900X2 This dash cam provides high quality video resolution. It has dual cameras. The front cam has 8 megapixel sensor. It has 162 degrees viewing angle. The rear camera has a 2.1 megapixels Starvis image sensor. It has high effective video coding. We can get quality 4K video broadcasting and streaming. Sharp video quality is ensured. For parking mode, it can be hardwired to vehicle's fuse panel. We can use this dash cam to enjoy the remote live video. It has cloud connectivity. This dash cam has an automatic cloud backup feature. Important videos are cloud connected. We can easily play and download videos from the cloud. It has an attractive design. It is built-in Wi-Fi as well as built-in GPS. This dash cam provides easy 4G LTE connectivity. Advantage: it is a compact size dash cam. We can set up this dash cam easily. Two-way voice communication with the driver is easy. We can back up important video files safely to cloud storage. Disadvantage: customer service and Wi-Fi connection should be improved. Vantua S1 dash cam. It is dual dash cam. Both front and rear dash cam can perform very well. It is an impressive dash cam. It has discrete models. 4K single front helps us to see road signs and vehicle plates easily. This dash is built in GPS. During driving we can easily view the live speed in dash cam during driving. We can get exact driving route and speed. It has parking guard feature. Both cameras can perform well to record important events. It has Sony night vision that helps us to capture clear images at night. We can capture night video clearly. It has a heat resistance supercapacitor that reduces the chance of overheating and exploding. It has digital image stabilization and driver assistance features. It has an automatic emergency recording option. Advantages: it has higher resolution. It has large memory. It has compact size. Disadvantages: we should be careful about car battery. Our verdict: which is the best dash cam with speedometer? There are various types of dash cams in the market. We should avoid expensive dash cams. We should choose the budget dash cam. We should avoid poor video quality. Here we have described 4 dash cams with speedometer. We have no doubt their quality. All are good quality. But when we have to select the best one, we should select the Rover 2 4K dash cam. It has higher resolution. It is also built in Wi-Fi and GPS. We can get the correct speed as well as running speed properly. Conclusion: currently, a dashcam plays an important role to show the correct speed of a car. As a result, we need the best dash cam with a speedometer. We see many cam manufacturers, but all are not good enough. We should choose the excellent option that is an affordable model so that we can enjoy the journey with peace of mind.